Hello guys, my name is Gaurav Yadav. Welcome to Ask IITian. Right? I hope you all are doing well. So today we'll discuss a very much important topic for 10th standard, that is arithmetic and progression. Right? So this topic is not only important for your 10th one, but also you will study this topic in your 11th, and also this topic will come for your competitions exams, right? In JEE mains and JEE advanced, right? Okay, so wait a second, let me just share my screen. Right, okay, perfect. Yeah, so arithmetic progression, its board weightage is your 5 marks. Okay, today we'll cover your harmonic mean. We have already discussed your arithmetic mean, your geometric mean, your arithmetic progression, your geometric progression. Now we'll cover your harmonic mean, your last topic. Then we'll take the combination of all these, the relationship between your arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and your harmonic mean, and also the inequality between them and various questions, right? What do you- Yeah, guys. So topics will cover. We'll cover topic introduction to HM. Yeah, that is harmonic mean, harmonic mean, right? Then your relationship between AM, GM, and HM, and AM, GMM, and equality, right? Let me just give you a brief idea what we have studied till now. That AP is something, a progression having its same difference, right? Its common difference is same. Like if you write first term is A, then second term will be definitely A plus D, then A plus 2D, then A plus 3D, dot dot dot, to last term will be your a plus n minus 1 into d. I think it is clear. Like its last term and your nth term is basically the same, a plus n minus 1 multiplied d. This is what we all have studied till now, right? And also, if now we are talking about arithmetic mean between two numbers. Suppose that two numbers you have taken is your a and b. A and b is just basically arithmetic mean is just your average, right? Is your average, and average of a and b will be your a plus b upon 2. I think this is clear, right? So just remember arithmetic mean or a and between two numbers is a and a plus b by 2. What about uh, of different numbers, right? Of many numbers, then arithmetic mean will be just addition of all these numbers divided by your n numbers, right? Now we'll took a look for your geometric progression, right? GB. Your GB is something which have a common ratio. For example, if I take a GB, like example 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, you 64, right? Its ratio is same. Like you do not you will not find that the difference will be same. Like 4 minus 2 is 2, 8 minus 4 is 4. Hence the difference is not same. It means it is not an AP. It is not an AP, right? So now its ratio is same, right? What is ratio? Ratio is your second term by first term. That is 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. If any number, just took out two numbers and write the next number to previous number, you will get the ratio will be 64 by 32, 64 by 32, which is also equal to 2. It means your ratio is same. Your ratio is your same. It means these numbers are in GP. If first number is your A, then second number must be your AR, then the third number must be your AR square, then fourth number will be fourth number will be your AR cube, fifth number will be AR cube of 5. Similarly, if you take about nth number, then your nth number must be AR power n minus 1, right? So this is basically your geometric progression. Okay. Now we'll talk about geometric mean between two numbers A and B. A and B, right? Mean is something which lies between them. So let us say geometric will be lie between them, and it is and as it is these series is in GB. It means its ratio will be same. Ratio will be same. It means second number by first number will be equal to your third number by for second number. Second number is your GM. Hence, if you cross multiply both, then GM square will be equal to AB. Hence, your GM will be equal to your under root of AB, right? GM will be under root of AB. Like in our previous slide, it is already written there. Arithmetic mean is A plus B by 2, right? Geometric mean is under root of AB, and harmonic mean we will discuss now, right? What about geometric mean of n numbers? Then just take out the nth root of n numbers, A into B into C into D, right? In this way. I will discuss about harmonic mean and harmonic progression, okay? Okay. So harmonic progression, right? So harmonic progression is something like if a series is there, for example, A, B, your C, your D, your E, your F. If these numbers are in HP, that is harmonic progression. It means the reciprocal of these numbers, the reciprocal of these numbers means 1 upon A, 1 upon B, 1 upon C, 1 upon D, 1 upon E, 1 upon F. These all numbers must be in your AP. Okay, the reverse is also true. If these numbers are in AP, then all these numbers are in HP, right? So we'll discuss that in AP. You come and find same. Like we'll calculate now for harmonic mean between two numbers A and B, right? Let us write a harmonic mean in between these numbers. As these numbers are in HP, right? It means your 1 upon A, 1 upon HM, and your 1 upon B, all these must be in AP, right? All these must be in AP, right? And for an AP, common difference must be same. It means your second number minus your first number will be equal to your third number minus your uh, second number, right? Okay. So 1 upon HM negative will go to LHS and will become 2 divided by HM is equal to 1 upon A plus 1 upon B. Just calculate this equation. You will get HM is equal to 2 times of AB divided by A plus B, right? It is already written there 2AB by A plus B. So we are till now discussing between AM, GM, and HM of two numbers, right? Now we'll talk about okay. Now just look out at the definition. Harmonic mean is defined as the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean of the given data values. Okay, harmonic mean is the reciprocal of the average of the reciprocal. Okay, right? If we have discussed of two numbers, yeah. We have discussed of two numbers a and b. Then HM will be your harmonic mean will be equal to n number, sorry, 2ab by a plus b, or you can also write this, right, 2 divided by 1 upon a plus 1 upon b, right? Your harmonic mean is just basically your n numbers, n total numbers you have taken divided by reciprocal summation of reciprocal of each number, 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c plus 1 upon d till n numbers, right? So we'll now let us do a question based on harmonic mean 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4, right? We have to just write the harmonic mean of 1, 2, and 4. For harmonic mean just took out that how many numbers are there. Three numbers are there, so just harmonic mean will be equal to 3 divided by reciprocal of all these numbers. All these numbers is just you 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, right? Then 3 upon what will be the LCM of these will be 4. Will calculate 4 plus 2 plus 1, right? Then 3 divided by 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7 by 4. 7 by 4. The 4 will go to upward, then it will become 12 by 7, right? So, right. Okay, so 12 by 7 is just your 1.714. In this solution, it has already written that your 3 divided by 1 is 1. 1 by 2, it is written zero point 0.5, and 1 by 4 is your 0.25, right? So 3 upon 1.75 is just basically, yeah, upon, it's just basically 1 point is, yeah, is basically your 12 upon 7, and it actually 1.714, right guys? We'll move next, like relationship between AM, GM, and HM, right? So here it is written that AM into HM is your GM square, or just remember this like your G square is equal to A into H. G square is equal to A into H. We'll now try to prove this or just justify this equation, like you know the value of GM between two numbers, it is under root of AB, right? If the square both sides, then your G square will be your AB, right? Now I will find out A and H. A and H. A is your basically your arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean between two numbers is your A plus B by 2, right? And what is harmonic mean? Harmonic mean is your 2 times of AB divided by A plus B, right? So as these are in multiply, so A plus B and A plus B will cancel out, and 2 will cancel out. You will just get the A and B, which is same to your LHS, right? These values are same. So we have just verified the equation, right? So just always remember the formula. G square is equal to AH, where G is your GM, A is your AM, arithmetic mean, and H is your HM, harmonic mean, right? Okay, so now we'll do a question based on it, right? Find the arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean between 12 and 30. 12 and 30. You are given two numbers. Find them. Find AM, arithmetic mean. Find GM, geometric mean. And find HM. Try solving them, guys. Just try to find out all these three. Your AM, GM, and HM. Okay. So arithmetic mean is just uh, 2a, sorry, a plus b by 2. Arithmetic mean is your a plus b upon 2. Two numbers are given, so it is 12 plus 30 by 2. 12 plus 30, 42 by 2 is nothing but your 21, right? Okay. Geometric mean is your under root of a and b. Okay. So under root of a and b, it means under root of 12 into 30. It will be under root of 360. Will be 6 under root 10, right? Harmonic mean is your 2ab upon a plus b, right? So 2 multiplied a is 12, multiplies b is your 30, and your a plus b is 42. Just cancel out 2 to 42 or will cut to 21. Cancel out by 21. And 3 will cancel out to 3 7, and 3 will cut out to 10. So it is basically 120 by 7. These are your values, okay? So your arithmetic mean is your 21, your geometric mean is your 6 under root 10, and your harmonic mean is 120 by 7. Okay, this I am just only reminding you the formula, basic formula, like your g square is equal to ah, where g is your geometric mean, a is your arithmetic mean, and h is your harmonic mean. Your g is basically under root of ab between two numbers, right? A is your a plus b by 2, right? And your h harmonic mean is your 2ab upon a plus b, right? So I think, guys, this question is clear, and your relationship between your am, gm, and hm is also clear, right? Now we'll move forward. Okay, now we are discussing arithmetic and geometric inequality, right? So the arithmetic, yeah, the arithmetic mean, geometric mean inequality states that the arithmetic mean of non-negative real numbers is greater than or equal to your geometric mean of the same list. Let us try to find out now. Your arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is your a plus b by 2. I'm just finding am minus gm. Am minus gm. What be am minus gm? Arithmetic mean is a plus b by 2 minus of gm. Gm is basically your under root of ab, right? So just take out the LCM 2. In numerator it will become a plus b minus 2 under root of ab, right? Okay, so your a could be written your under root of a square, your b could be written your under root of b square, and it is minus 2 times of under root a and under root b, right? Just write out the root ab individually upon 2. Guys, what is the numerator? Your numerator is nothing but your under root of a minus under root of b whole square over 2. Right or not? Your numerator is your root a minus root b whole square, right? Why? Because if you expand this formula, then root a square plus root b square plus b square minus 2 will be, right? And one thing you should know, that the value under square must be and always be equal and greater than to 0. Like this value cannot be negative, right? This value should always be greater than and equal to 0. It means your am minus gm, your am minus gm will be greater than and equal to 0. If we take out your gm to your RHS right hand side, it means your arithmetic mean will equal to and greater to your geometric mean, right? Always remember this. Always remember this. Yeah, that your am is greater than equal to gm. I'm just writing your of all three, right? your AM will be greater than equal to GM will be greater than equal to AH. Arithmetic AGH is this is the relation between all these things, right? AM is greater than equal to GM is greater than equal to HM. Also, if relationship between G and A and H is G square equal to H, right? So, if in case of relationship between all these, just remember these terms, right? In case of inequality, your AM is greater than GM is greater than H, right? So, what is the written there? X1 plus x2 plus x3 is plus dot 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 to xn is just basically your arithmetic mean, which is greater than equal to GM. Okay, so right. So this is basically inequality between A and GM. Right, we'll do a question based on it. Right, we'll do a question based on it. Okay, so right. What I have told is this is written there. The root means square and greater than equal to AM. Arithmetic mean is greater than GM and greater than equal to HM. Right. So now we'll forget it and now we'll try to do this question, right? We'll try to do solve this question. A plus B plus C multiplied AB plus BC plus CA is greater than equal to, so greater than or 9ABC. Try to solve this question, guys. Try to just solve this question. Like how will you prove that? How will you prove that? How will you prove that your A plus B plus C multiplied AB plus BC plus CA will be how will you prove that? Like you know that it is just an okay, it is just an inequality, right? So let me write u a plus b plus c. Just took this number and by 3 it means this is am. Arithmetic mean between two numbers will be, you know na, arithmetic mean is greater than your geometric mean, right? So am will be greater than gm. What is geometric mean? Geometric mean will be your cube root of abc, right? If we take out numbers like this AB plus BC plus CA, suppose these are three numbers by three, then this will be greater than equal to cube root of all these numbers AB, BC, and CA. AB multiplied BC multiplied CA. This will be your first equation. This will be your second equation, right? Okay, so just multiply both these equation. Then you A plus B plus C multiplied AB plus BC plus CA divided by 9. It came out to be your this cube root of ABC. Then this is cube root of AB, BC, and CA will be A square plus B, sorry, A square, B square, C square. So it is basically ABC to power 1 by 3, and here ABC to power 2 by 3, right? 1 by 3 and 2 by 3 will become ABC and will cross multiply to 9, then we'll get the desired result, right? We'll get the desired result. Just look at the solution, right? Here you have taken A and B and C are three numbers, then AM greater than GM, then here also AM greater than GM, right? Multiply of result, you will get your A cube, B cube, C cube, 1 by 3 and ABC, and just cross multiply and hence prove. You will get your desired result, right? Okay. Just remember your AM, GM, okay? So these are basically your questions for your practice question. Just try to solve them. Yeah, right? Just try to solve them. I will take an example or will try to solve first question. Find the AM, GM, and HM between 1 by 2 and 1 by 8. 1 by 2 and 1 by 8. Find AM. You know, if two numbers are given, then your AM is equal to A plus B by 2. What is A? A is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8 by 2. Okay. So numerator will be 8 will be your LCM and 4 plus 1 by 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 to the 10. 10 by 8. 10 by 8 is your 5 by 4. Right, guys? Then your geometric mean. Geometric mean will be your under root of AB. Under root of AB. Okay. Under root of AB. AB will be your 1 by 2 into 1 by 8. 1 by 2 and 1 by 8 will be your 1 by 16. 1 by 16 ka root will be your 1 by 4. Right? Your harmonic mean. Your harmonic mean will be your 2AB by A plus B. Right, guys? 2AB will be your 2 times of A. A is 1 by 2. B is 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8 is 5 by 8. Right? So 2 will cancel out 1 by 8 and 5 by 8. 1 by 8 divided by 5 by 8. 8 and 8 will cancel out. You will get the value of 1 by 5. So these will be your AM, GM, and HM, right? 5 by 16, 1 by 4, and 1 by 5. 5 by 16, 2, 4, and 8, 5. Yeah, guys, yeah. 5 by 8 will be your 5 by 16, right? 4 plus 1, 5, 5 by 8, yeah. It will be your 5 by 16. Okay, guys, so I think this is clear to you all. Okay, we'll do your next question. Question is your insert 3 GMs between 1 and 16. 1 and 16, and you have to introduce 3 GMs, right? First, we'll introduce 1 GM. First, we'll introduce 1 GM, right? Like GM1. Your GM1 will be equal to, like you are introducing geometric mean between two numbers 1 and 16. The GM will be your under root of A into B, that is equal to 4. You got the value of GM1 is 4. Now introduce GM2. GM2 will be number between 1 and 4, right? GM2 will be under root of 1 and 4. 1 and 4 will be equal to 2, right? 4 root of 4 will be 2. Now introduce GM3. GM3 between GM1 and 16. So GM3 will be equal to 1 upon, under root of 4 into 16. 16 4 just 64. 64 the root will be your 8. So your 4 to 8 will be your geometric mean, right? 1, 4, 2, 8, these are your geometric mean. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, right? Because this ratio is same. Ratio is your 2. R is your 2, right? The answer is also same 2, 4, and 8, right? Now our last question. Our last question for the day. Yes. So our last question is question number. I am just solving this. It doesn't mean that you will not solve this, right? Try solving them first, then see the solution. So third question is find the HM between the numbers A upon B and B upon A. So this is just telling me A upon B and B upon A. You just have to find the HM. You know the HM is twice of AB. AB are your numbers, right? AB are your numbers upon A plus B. AB are a number, it means twice of A. What is first number? First number is your A upon B. multiply second number is b upon a, upon your a plus b. A plus b will be your a by b plus b by a, right? This whole term will cancel out, so only numerator 2 will be there. In case of like this will become a square plus b square upon ab. So hence your hm will be 2ab upon a square plus b square in this case, right? Always remember that hm between two numbers a and b is your 2 multiplied ab upon a plus b, right? Hence, for this third question, your hm will be 2ab upon a square plus b square, right, guys? So I think these questions are clear to you. Just try to solve more and more questions between AM, GM, and HM, and also try to solve whole chapter of your arithmetic progression of your NCERT books, of your reference book, right? So let me remind what I have told to you for your for your arithmetic progression. For your arithmetic progression, you an is equal to, I'm just summarizing what I have told. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is your arithmetic an formula, right? Now I will write your sum formula s of n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? And also your arithmetic mean, right here, arithmetic mean will be equal to your a plus b by 2. I'm talking about two numbers. Your geometric mean is equal to under root of ab. Your harmonic mean is equal to your 2 times of ab upon a plus b. We are talking about a and b in two numbers, right? And the relationship between all these is equal to g square is equal to your ah, right? Now also remember the inequality that your am is greater than equal to your gm is greater than equal to your hm, right? So guys, this is all about your session, right? Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Try solving these questions, right? Thanks a lot.